Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala hene kasngi habayakren bat kinong thok kubor ulay thu ba kaseng Congress kam kwa bandan ka Ïatreilang bat kiwei kiseng san perthai hakani ka election ka bansawan. Ka Ïatreilang bat kiwei kiseng kan kata namar kinong yalam ki haban tray na kabanta jong kiwei bat kiseng bat suki kinong tray kaseng kan hiar namar kaseng kampanyeng kertong. Ulaban rapru da kabaong ba ka Mpcc kam kwa bandon ka Ïatreilang henrei ka syong ha ka Aitc tang ba kumba ka long ka Aitc kan syembet ya ka jing ai jing mod jong kinong yalam ka jilla. Ulaong ru ba ka Mpcc kam kwa bandon ka Ïatreilang bat kiwei kiseng la ka dei ka Aitc ne kiwei kiseng. Syu na kalyang ba pala ulaban rapru da kabaong ba ki MLA ki dei ki bala jit da ki patba kilong ki badon kam. Henrei ka badon kam tam ka dei kinong jit. Ulaban rapru da kabaong baka Congress kan penyeng kertong na baro Henry Pautali ki constituency.
From the Mpcc Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, we already had discussions among us, our leaders, amongst the senior leaders in the party. We are not in favor of having a pre-poll alliance with any other parties because the reasons we have seen, be it in West Bengal, be in UP, be in Tamil Nadu, be any in the states, once you have a pre-poll alliance, then the workers are bound or forced to work for other parties. So slowly the roots at the grassroots level will become bigger and bigger. So for that reasons, we are not in favor of tying up with any party. We want to go alone for the elections, and the rest it depends also on the Aitc. But normally Aitc will always consult the state leaders before taking a decision. This is a big decision. But as far as we in Mpcc, we are not in favor of, not only with Aitc or in any other parties, also we are not in favor of tying up in other parties. And moreover, many of our candidates, we already indicated to them that they should fight the election. And especially from the block level, some of the blocks already made a resolution that this candidate should be there, this candidate is there. So I think we are not in favor of tying up with any party. So what Dr. Mukul has said, I don't know that he has said on behalf of his party, but our party, we don't have any intention of tying up with any other party.
Hagnur kompak ka Kongres kanikun hamtam bakamdan su menta ya kisiting MLA.
See, MLAs have been chosen by the public. The most important is MLAs also are very important, voters also are very important, but the most important are the voters. If you see in Meghalaya, almost 50 to 60% of the sitting MLAs normally used to lose election and a fresh MLAs used to come. That's why you see hardly you see any very senior MLAs in assembly. Therefore, since it's only another, like you have exactly another 10 months away or 1 year, so there's no problem for us whether we have MLA or no MLAs. Rather, some of the presidents of the districts or some of the president of the block also are likely to go. But many of them also, they have got lots of high-level officers also are going to join us. Therefore, I think we don't have a problem as such because enough time for us to regroup. Like you have seen when you come here, so our party is lively. Almost every day we have a meeting, different meetings with the youth. As I told you before, our first job was how to revive the youth, how to revive the Mahilas, how to revive the block, the different block levels. We are in that process, and almost I think 80% we have already completed, and most of the blocks they have already identified their own candidates, made a resolution and all. So we'll stand by those resolution of the block, and I'm very confident this time we'll have very good candidate. I think I can say Congress is the only party this time who will have a clean image candidates who will fight election, and Congress is the only party I think will be trying to put the candidate all the 60 seats. So I request you also to help us and try to give us a very good coverage also whenever the youth are there, whenever they call you for a press conference and all. So kindly to do give us, because you as a press also sometimes you play a very important role.